Welcome to Shadow Story, where we uncover the biggest opportunities shaping our world. Today, we're diving into one of the most important and profitable industries of our time, green energy. Have you ever wanted to invest in a way that not only grows your wealth but also helps the planet? Imagine making money while fighting climate change. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's happening now, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get involved and profit from the green energy revolution. Stay with me until the end, because I'll break down the top renewable energy stocks, ETFs, government incentives, and the future of this trillion-dollar industry. Let's get started. Scene 1: Why green energy is the future. First, let's talk about why green energy is not just an ethical investment but also a financial goldmine. The global renewable energy market is projected to reach $2.15 trillion by 2025. Governments worldwide are pushing for net zero carbon emissions, leading to massive subsidies and incentives. Oil and gas are becoming more unstable due to geopolitical issues, while solar, wind, and hydropower are becoming more affordable. Major corporations, including Tesla, Amazon, and Google, are heavily investing in clean energy. If you missed investing in tech stocks in the early 2000s, this might be your second chance at catching a massive wave before it fully explodes. Scene 2: The best green energy stocks to buy. If you want to invest in individual stocks, here are the top companies leading the charge. 1. Tesla, TSLA. More than just an electric car company, Tesla is heavily investing in solar energy and battery storage. Their energy division could become a key player in decentralized electricity generation. 2. NextEra Energy, NE. One of the largest producers of wind and solar energy in the U.S. Solid financials and consistent growth make it a long-term investment option. 3. Brookfield Renewable Partners, BEP. A global leader in hydro, wind, and solar power with a strong dividend yield. Perfect for investors looking for income alongside growth. 4. Enphase Energy, ENPH. A leader in solar microinverters, making solar panels more efficient. Rapidly growing in international markets. 5. Plug Power, Plug. Specializing in hydrogen fuel cells, which could revolutionize the energy storage industry. Has major partnerships with Amazon and Walmart. If you're looking for safer, diversified exposure, you might want to consider ETFs. Scene 3: Green Energy ETFs, Safer and Diversified Investments. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, allow you to invest in a basket of green energy companies without putting all your money into just one stock. ICLN, iShares Global Clean Energy ETF. Holds top clean energy companies worldwide. A great option for beginners. TAN, Invesco Solar ETF. Focuses on solar energy companies, including Enphase and First Solar. Perfect if you believe solar is the future. QCLN, First Trust Nasdaq Clean Edge Green Energy Index Fund. A diversified clean energy ETF including Tesla and renewable utility companies. LIT, Global X Lithium and Battery Tech ETF. Invests in the lithium industry, crucial for electric vehicles and battery storage. These ETFs provide exposure while reducing the risk of investing in a single stock. Scene 4: Government Incentives, Free Money for Green Investments. Governments are offering massive incentives to push clean energy adoption. Here's how you can take advantage. Tax credits for solar panels and EVs. In the US, you can get up to 30% federal tax credit for installing solar panels. Electric vehicle buyers can qualify for up to $7,500 in tax credits. Renewable energy grants and subsidies. Some governments provide grants for businesses switching to renewable energy. Check local policies to see what incentives you qualify for. Carbon credits and green bonds. Some programs allow you to invest in companies that trade carbon credits. Green bonds provide stable returns while funding renewable projects. These incentives make investing in clean energy even more profitable. Scene 5: The Future of Green Energy, Why You Should Pay Attention. The future of energy is changing fast. Here are some trends to watch. Breakthroughs in battery technology. Longer-lasting, cheaper batteries will make solar and wind more reliable. Hydrogen energy expansion. Countries like Japan and Germany are investing billions in hydrogen infrastructure. Mass adoption of EVs. By 2030, over 50% of new car sales could be electric. Decentralized energy grids. Homeowners producing and selling their own solar energy could disrupt traditional utilities. Scene 6, final thoughts, should you invest? If you're looking for an ethical, high-growth investment opportunity, green energy is one of the best industries to consider. Stocks like Tesla, Enphase, and Brookfield Renewable have strong potential. ETFs like ICLN and TAN provide safer, diversified exposure. Government incentives can boost your returns significantly. The industry is set to explode in the next decade, and investing early could be a game changer. What do you think? Is green energy the future of investing, or is it overhyped? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to Shadow Story for more insights into the future of finance and technology. And remember, investing in the future doesn't just mean profits, it means making the world a better place. Globe showing Europe-Africa money bag.